Today I'm gonna test all these 4 drills with an auger bit. This is 10mm by 250mm Makita auger bit, or 3/8 of an inch by 10 inches. I'm going to try it on each of these 4 drills. This is the XFD01. It is basically an entry level drill, good for around the home sort of thing, nice and light, fairly compact, not a bad little drill. And then we have sort of an entry level hammer drill. It is the XPH06. Next up, the XPH07. This is a top of the line cordless hammer drill, the best in its class apparently. Delivers the most torque out of any cordless drill on the market today. And then the beast at the end here, the 36 volt or 18 by 2. This is a rotary hammer drill, but it does also come with this chuck, which doesn't want to come off. Why is that fucking coming off? Turn the right way might help. Comes with a standard chuck. Turn the right ring always helps. And that is the XRH05. So I'm going to have all of these drills set on their low setting. These 3 will all be on gearbox setting 1. The big fella unfortunately only has the 1 setting, but it is the slowest of all the drills. So I'm going to take them outside. I'm going to put them through a piece of tea tree or manuka. It's a native New Zealand tree. It is very hard wood, and we'll see if they can handle it. I'll drill a couple of holes with each drill in different places along the log I've got set up, and we'll see how they go. XFD01. XPH06. XPH07. 36 volter. Try the XPH07 on high gear. XPH06 on high gear. And the XFD01 on high gear. And just for fun, wow, that's a good noise. Ramping it up a notch, 18mm XFD01, low then high. Okay, that was high, then low. Very hot. Oh, 06. Low gear. High gear. Oh, 07. Low gear. High gear. Silly feel it on that one. And the 05 36 volt. That's the winner, I think. So they all did pretty well. I'm quite impressed actually how well they all did it. The XFD01 did get pretty hot. It is a brush tool, whereas these two are brushless, and the big fella is a brush tool as well. But yeah, so it got pretty hot on the back where the brushes are, but it did do it. But I wouldn't want to push it too much more. I wouldn't want to have drilled another couple of holes, because I think she might have been in trouble. The smoke wouldn't have been coming out of the timber, it might have been coming out of here. So, but if you only need to do a couple of holes, that would suffice, and pretty good for a basic entry level El Cheapo Makita drill. The 06 brushless, it did it, as they all did, like you saw. But if I had to pick one of these, I'd probably go for the cheaper non-hammer one. This felt like it was going to stall more, and felt like it was slowing more than this drill. So that was quite interesting. The 07, of course, didn't have a problem. Found like it had plenty more guts in it. And this bugger, I think that was the best. That felt the most consistent. If that had the speed that that thing had, it would have just kick that thing's ass. I mean, it is twice as much voltage, of course, but it isn't designed to do high torque applications. They do tell you not to use it for high torque things like hole saw bits and that sort of thing, because this has a lower, it'll kick into its safety sort of features, because it's designed to, if your concrete bit catches on something, on a bit of rebar on a piece of concrete or something, it's designed to stop so that it doesn't throw you across the bloody room, spin you around, break your wrist. But it did this job perfectly well, and very well actually. That was my pick of those tools for that job. Although if you were drilling a hell of a lot of holes and you're doing it all day, this is pretty heavy. You'd far rather want that one. If you've only got a couple of holes to drill, these two will do the job, but probably not for too long, whereas these two should keep you going all day. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.